Take seat.
Thank you.
This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, 4th March at IELTS Base Camp, and center number is IBC007. And the candidate is 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐢𝐜, and the candidate number is 2301001. And examiner is Karis Fatima, and examiner number is 433186. Good afternoon. My name is Karis Fatima, and can you tell me your full name, please?
Yes, my full name is Mahmoud Taimur.
Okay. What should I call you?
You may address me as Tamim.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes, sure.
Our topic is work or job. And my first question is to you: is salary important to you? And what is the impact of salary on doing work?
Yes, salary is important in my life because it meets my basic things like housing, transportation, foods. If I get a good salary, I can live comfortably and some money, save money for my future. And salary is not the main factor. Job satisfactory and the environment is also very important.
Now my second question is to you: what kinds of jobs are easy to get in a foreign country?
There are various kind of jobs that is available for foreigner, like restaurants and hotels and motels. So if a person has a good qualification in communication skills, so he might be able to get the job.
Should young adults work abroad?
Yes, young adults should work abroad because they contribute our country working there. They give remittance in our country, so it's important to work for them.
Okay, thank you, 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐢𝐜, and this is the end of our English speaking test.